Hello dear students, let us continue our topic compound interest. In last module, we have discussed the difference in simple interest and compound interest, the method to find out compound interest if it is compounded annually, half yearly or quarterly. Moreover, we have discussed the formula to find out simple interest which is equal to P into R into T and formula of compound interest which is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power time minus principal. Now let us discuss some more applications which are based on compound interest, and for that first of all we will find the population of a town. The present population of a town is 6,31,680. Find its population 2 years ago if rate of migration was 4% in the first year and 6% in the second year. So for this, let the population 2 years ago is P. Present population of the town is A, which is equal to 6,31,680, and rate of migration is 4% in the first year and 6% in the second year, means they are moving to some other cities. So population will be less now. So by using formula P into 1 minus R upon 100, we will use it 6,31,680 is equal to P into 1 minus 4 upon 100 into 1 minus 6 upon 100. So after taking LCM in the bracket and after converting it in simplest form, we will get 24 upon 25 in the first bracket and 47 upon 50 in the second bracket. And by shifting the numbers, we will get P is equal to 7 lakh. So the population of the town was 7 lakh 2 years ago. And now we will find the principal. What sum will become rupees 6,000 after 2 years at 5% per annum when the interest is compounded annually? It means now we are to find out principal and not amount. So for that we have the same formula. Amount is P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power time. So put the corresponding values. We will get 6,000 equal to P into 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to power 2. After solution, we will get P into 105 upon 100 2 times. So shift all the numbers, we will get P is equal to 6,000 into 100 into 100 upon 105 into 105. And after solution, we will get 5,442.18. So the sum is 5,442.18 rupees. And now we will find how to calculate time. In how many years will rupees 1600 amounts to rupees 2116 at 15% compound interest? Means we are to find time now. We have principal, we have amount, we have rate here. And now to find the time, we will use the same formula which is equal to A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power time. Put all the values. We will get 2116 equal to 1600 multiply 115 upon 100 raised to power n. Now shift principal in denominator of amount, and by converting this in power, means by finding prime factorization, it will be converted into 46 upon 40 raised to power 2, which is equal to 23 by 20 raised to power 2. And by comparing the powers, we will get time equal to 2 years. And in the same way, we are to find now rate percent. How to calculate rate percent? At what rate percent per annum compound interest will rupees 3,375 amount to rupees 1,800 in 2 years? Use the same formula. Put the values in place of amount, in place of principal, and in place of time. Shift principal in the denominator of amount. Convert amount upon principal in power form, which is equal to 16 upon 15 raised to power 3. It is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power 3. So powers will cancel each other. And we are left with 1 plus R upon 100 equal to 16 upon 50. Now solve it for R. We will get R is equal to 100 upon 15 which is equal to 6.67%, and we get rate of interest 6.67%.